Finding the perfect family car in 2025 is more challenging than ever. It's not just about space anymore. Families want safety, comfort, tech, and efficiency all in one package. Today's family car is a fortress, a tech hub, and a fuel sipper rolled into one. Parents expect advanced driver assistance, seamless infotainment, and powertrains that stretch every dollar. The market is packed with options: hybrid SUVs, all-electric vans, and everything in between. In this video, we'll break down the top family cars of 2025, exploring what makes each one stand out. From practical to luxurious, established favorites to bold newcomers, we'll help you find the perfect fit. By the end, you'll know which of these vehicles could be your family's next adventure mobile. First up, the Toyota Grand Highlander, a true game-changer in the three-row SUV world. Unlike its smaller sibling, this isn't just a stretched Highlander. It's built for families who use all three rows all the time. Adults actually fit in the third row, and there's still room for luggage or strollers behind them. It's minivan practicality in a rugged SUV body. Reliability? It's a Toyota expect years of hassle-free ownership. The hybrid powertrain is the real star, delivering smooth power and impressive fuel economy for a vehicle this size. Inside, you'll find USB ports in every row, oversized cup holders, and a user-friendly infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Grand Highlander is loaded with family-friendly touches, making daily life easier. Downsides? The interior materials are durable but not ultra-premium, and the drive is more about comfort than excitement. But for families who value space, efficiency, and dependability, it's hard to beat. The Grand Highlander sets a new benchmark for practical family haulers. It's the logical, capable choice for anyone needing a big, versatile vehicle. If you want a family SUV that just works, every day, for years, this is it. It's not flashy, but it nails the basics better than almost anyone. For many families, that's exactly what matters most. The Grand Highlander is the new standard for practicality. It's the family SUV that simply gets the job done. Next, the Ford Explorer